Dude was like, well, you did say it was a car wash. I'm like, yeah, but video shoot. You see the videographer done, like, wrap that shit up. But I'm like, nah, we gon' they came to fuck with me. I'm gonna fuck with them. And so we was out there from sun up to sundown.
You was helping
It
watch
was
cars?
hot as fuck, huh?
You was helping watch cars?
Yeah, I was watching car. I watched my dream car. He pulled up with the big body Benz. He pulled up with the G63. I'm like, you park your shit in the middle. Everybody else, y'all go out. Don't come in the gate. We had to clear it. I even moved my Jeep to get his shit in there. I'm like, we gotta have his in there. It was dope. He was repping hella hard. Everybody that came in there with some nice cars too. It wasn't just like any cars. Like we actually got some dope ass footage. I'm like, so shout out to Kansas City for that because I really fuck with